Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are demystifying exactly how you run Python programs. If you are just starting out, you might be confused by terms like REPL, scripts, and IDEs. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which method is right for you. First, let's understand what happens under the hood. Python is an interpreted language. You write human-readable source code in a file ending with .py. The Python interpreter then translates this code line by line into instructions your computer can execute. This happens instantly, which is why Python is so popular for rapid development. The simplest way to run Python is the REPL or read eval print loop. It's an interactive shell that comes installed with Python. You type a line of code, press enter, and it runs immediately. It is essentially a conversation with the Python interpreter. The REPL is fantastic for quick tests. Need to do some math or check how a function works? Open the REPL. However, it has a major downside. Once you close the window, your code is gone forever. It is not meant for writing full applications. For real programs, you will use Python scripts. This simply means writing your code in a text file and saving it with the .py extension. This allows you to save your work, share it with others, and run it as many times as you like. To run a script, you typically use your computer's terminal or command prompt. You navigate to the folder where you saved your file and type the command Python followed by your file name. This tells the interpreter to read your file and execute all the code inside it. You could write scripts in a basic text editor like Notepad, but that's hard work. Most developers use an IDE or integrated development environment. Unlike a plain editor, an IDE gives you syntax highlighting, error checking, and a built-in run button, so you don't have to memorize terminal commands. There are many great tools out there. vscode is the most popular general-purpose editor. It is lightweight and powerful. PyCharm is a heavy-duty tool built specifically for Python pros. And if you are a complete beginner, I highly recommend Thonny, which is designed to help you learn. Finally, we have notebooks, like Jupyter or Google Colab. These are a hybrid approach used heavily in data science. You write code in small blocks called cells and can see charts and data outputs right underneath them. It is great for analysis, but less common for building apps. So which should you choose? If you are just testing a quick idea, use the REPL. If you are learning the basics, download Thonny. If you want to become a software engineer, start learning vscode. And if you are into data science, go with Jupyter notebooks. Thanks for watching and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.